With meteorologist Dave Nussbaum, another gloomy start to the work week, Dave.
Yeah, not pretty. Yesterday was kind of rough. Today's pretty gloomy. Really not going to see a lot of sunshine until Thursday. So kind of brace yourself for the gloomy weather out there. But we are looking at some, at least temperatures not too bad. A little chill into the air, 56 degrees. And on average, that's what our high temperature should be this time of year. We've been kind of holding steady that temperature all morning long. And temperatures around 60 in Alabaster, 59 Moundville, back to Tuscaloosa, Hamilton at 53, Gadsden 57. Look at Asheville and Anniston there coming in at 58 degrees now. So definitely wherever you are, we're dealing with some chilly conditions. May see a peak or two of sun in spots, but do not look for a lot of it out there for the day today. A lot of cloud cover here in really much of the deep south. Really looking at the clouds, you have to head over to Charlotte, North Carolina to get out of the cloud cover, maybe down towards southeast Louisiana with some sunshine breaking out there. A lot of clouds today. Temperatures get to about 62 degrees, maybe a sprinkle or two out there. Some patchy fog in spots as well too. This evening temperatures fall down into the 50s, but the chance of rain stays low tomorrow as well at 20%, but it ramps up to 100% on Wednesday. That is our next big weather maker, big frontal system that's going to be moving through before we do dry out as we head into the upcoming weekend. That system I've been talking about is right here in parts of the Four Corner states here, heading up toward Wyoming. That's going to bring some snowy conditions there and blizzard conditions up across the Dakotas. We're not going to see that side of this, but we do have the threat for some strong to severe thunderstorms across our area. And tomorrow, severe weather breaks out, a level 3 enhanced risk for parts of Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi. Notice the severe threat tomorrow does not get into Alabama. It stays far enough away from us. Now, as we get into Wednesday, the severe threat does kind of work its way through South Alabama here and to the north here. This will be more of a heavy rain threat, maybe a couple strong thunderstorms expected across the area, and that's going to be our biggest issue we're going to watch out for. Southern part of Greene and Hale counties, we'll keep an eye on you too. That's we may see some stronger storms coming in, but it all depends on the cooler air that's going to be over top of us. If that can move to the north and allow warmer, more humid air to come in, that would increase that threat for some severe weather. At the moment, though, looks like it will stay to the south, but that's something I'll be keeping an eye on. So on Wednesday, that weather aware for heavy rain, some gusty winds, and of course any lightning with those thunderstorms as well too. So Futurecast will show that today's weather, just some clouds. Again, a couple of stray showers out there. Most of you will be fairly dry. Overnight tonight, maybe a sprinkle or shower, a lot of cloud cover. Same thing for tomorrow. Still pretty quiet weather out there through Tuesday. All changes Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. A line of showers and storms starts moving on in. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. We'll see that rain coming on into the area. Not necessarily severe. This is not to be that. It's going to be some downpours. That'll continue as we head into the afternoon. Then here comes some stronger storms with some heavier rain on Wednesday afternoon. The strongest of the storms, again, farther to the south, but we'll have to keep an eye on this heavy rain as it builds in all day long. And you'll see here on our Futurecast as the storms continue to come in. There's 6 p.m. Here comes that line working its way through the Birmingham area overnight into Thursday morning. By sunrise, the storms are gone. The sunshine may actually be out Thursday morning. We have a slightly cooler day, but we're also going to be dealing with, again, some quiet weather out there and some sunshine heading to Thursday. Now, rain totals potentially 2 to 4 inches. The higher further north and off to the west you go from Birmingham, but this could cause some flooding concerns. The ground is already very saturated from the rain that we had yesterday, and so any kind of rain that falls will be running off. So we'll be in the 60s on Wednesday, the 64 degrees. We've got that weather where, again, the biggest threat from much of central Alabama, heavy rain and flash flooding. We'll keep an eye on some gusty thunderstorms as well. Thursday, breezy, 59, not too bad, but then here comes the cold weather Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday. Temperatures 49 for a high on Friday, 46 this weekend. How about lows getting below freezing? And looks like this trend of cold temperatures may be sticking around all the way possibly through Christmas.